Directors and officers insurance is a particularly important part of the suite of cover that a company puts in place, because it is there not only for the benefit of the company, but also for the benefit of the individual directors and officers. So what should be front of mind when considering a company's directors and officers cover? Firstly, what is the most likely claim or investigation that a company and its directors will face? What is the policy there to protect the company and its directors from? In general terms, there are two main areas of potential liability for a company and its directors. There's claims for damages. As we often see in the media, there has been a significant rise in class actions brought by shareholders, often seeking hundreds of millions of dollars. And there are also regulatory investigations, and these can potentially result in criminal and civil fines and penalties. So secondly, what does your directors and officers policy cover? A good place to start is to review the insuring clauses and consider whether they pick up the risks that have been identified. But it's also important to look at what is not covered. This is where the company and the directors' uninsured risks will arise. Some exclusions aren't negotiable, such as dishonesty, but there often is scope to negotiate exclusions in policies to fit a particular company's concerns. Some common exclusions that can be negotiated include exclusions for fines and penalties, or claims by major shareholders, and also insolvency exclusions. The removal of such exclusions can be of considerable value to a company and its directors. Thirdly, defence costs. Are they covered and available? This is often the most pressing issue when a claim or notification has been received by a company or director, and it's important to review the provisions governing the advancement of defence costs to ensure that there is certainty about when defence costs will be advanced, ideally as soon as possible, and who will have conduct of the defence. In summary, it is important to review existing policies and seek to negotiate new policies carefully, and consider the cover that a director and a company has and how it can be accessed.